Hello everyone, I'm trying to help anybody that has purchased this wonderful Char-Broil, the Big Easy True-Infrared Oilless Turkey Fryer. It is Thanksgiving 2018 and this is my first air fryer, turkey fryer, oilless one that is. I've had about 2 hours in trying to install, so I thought that this might be a little bit helpful. You see the brochure here. And this is what it looks like on the back. And this is the model number 17102-065. And my sister and I have done it by myself, played with it for a while. And this is the one side we have that we've set up. I'm sorry, I'm not a video person. What we've learned to install the bottom portion, which to hold the tray, you have to install it, the handles, and don't lock them at first. And this is the finished portion, and I'm going to show you how to do one online. The screws actually fit inside. Can you see inside there? So the outside will have the lip that's going to hold a tray, and you'll see the actual screw right there. And what you're going to do is basically lock it in place and finish before you install it to the bottom. It's in there good. It locks in place. Can you see that? And you just take it. You see the other side? Push it in and lock it. And the small side, this is the small side. I'm sorry, I'm trying to run the camera and do the video. The small hole sides are what goes down. And this is for the screws that's already in there, and you're going to see how to align them, or I'll show you in another quick video how to align them and just screw it down. So I'll get started. What I have is this here, one piece. You'll have 4 of these. You will have 2 of these. And what you're going to do, you're going to do one side at a time. You're not going to attach these together like I originally did. I locked them together. I locked this part in with this part, but that's not correct. What you should do is screw this in, and it fits on the inside. I'm sorry, I'm going to show that again. This is how it is. It's curved in, and it's actually going to go in. It fits on the inside, and I know you can. Curved in, it's going to go in. Okay, and what you're going to do, is just line up the holes and then screw in. And I'm gonna pause the video while I do that, because I'm afraid you may not see it.